What's up, guys? Ames at the Chains here.
What up? How's it going?
My buddy Chad.
I guess today we're here with my 3D printing company called Kanji Prints.
There you go.
Yeah.
Kanji Prints. I was like, that's the thing.
Yeah, so it's Kanji Prints. It's a 3D printing business. If a lot of you don't know, 3D printing is something that's been around since the 80s, but it's up and coming, and it's something that's actually really taken off in this last year, especially during COVID. So I actually have a 3D printer, and I've been printing and designing different things, and actually Ryan can show you some of the things that I've actually been designing.
Well, first of all, let's just say he made our tags for our tag round here in Las Cruces, New Mexico for our Three Crosses Disc Golf.
Actually, I have right here.
There we go.
There
this is one of our tags. 3D printed by Chad here.
Yeah, designed by me, also printed by me and my machine that's right behind us. We're going to show you here in a little bit. But yeah, it's a replica of the tag. This is just a remake of one because something was wrong with it. I forget what it was.
I think it was the thickness, or there was something happening.
Yeah, something with it.
But anyway, let's switch around to what's actually going on here today that's printing as we speak. Alright guys, here it is. This is what I was talking about. This thing is the best. Let me ask you, have you gotten an ace in your life? Or have you just gotten one of those cool discs that you aren't going to throw and you want to put on the wall? This is the thing right here. This is the one right here. I have a few of them. I'm going to need a few more this year probably, I hope, but that's the one right there. This is the best thing in the world if you've got a disc to hang. Single hole, unlike the previous version, which didn't end up being practical. This is the way. You put your screw in or whatever, and then you just give it a little twist to where it's perfect. It doesn't even really matter, it'll hang for you anyway. So, if you've got that need, this is what you want to get. And this is the man that's going to make it for you.
Yes, sir.
Let's hear about it.
Cool. Yeah, so as Ryan said, this is what I'm calling the disc hanger. It's a creation that he came to me, and I designed it, and we kind of came together and agreed that this is probably the best shape that you can use, engineering-wise, to hang a disc. And actually, if you want to look, we have an example right here.
There we go.
I have one right here. It's orange, so that way we can see it a lot better.
This is the color I have.
Yeah, so this is the color that Ryan has. A lot of people seem to like the black, but you just take the disc, you plop it on top of there, and as you see, it moves a little bit and then it rests in place, and it's the perfect shape. I made sure that this shape right here goes with the contour of the Frisbee, and I even placed it on there to make sure and ensure that it is a good shape, and as Brian can tell you, it fits all of his discs. That's good to hear. I made sure the depth was perfect. I used exact measurements from a couple of my discs myself because I play. But we'll go over here. These are some other prints that I've done. I designed this one myself. This is my unit patch from the Army. I painted it. It's not done yet, so I still got some yellow to put on there. But I did design this myself. Took the picture, did it around, did all the measurements, and got all the dimensions. It's 3D, and it's 3D printed. The rest of these, I haven't designed. These are just printed from the internet right here. This is a Baby Yoda. This is a Spyro the Dragon. If you guys are fans of the 90s and 2000s, you'll remember Spyro the Dragon video game. Here's Yoshi right here. He's not done, so he has to get finished painting. He's going to be a red Yoshi. And then here something recent. We have Among Us. So these are just samples of things that I can print and the abilities that a 3D printer can do. And as you can see right here, I'm actually printing some disc hangers at the moment. As you can see, and I usually print them in sets of 30, and that's what I sell them in. And if you guys want, you can head to Kanji Prints on Etsy, and that's the best way to find my store, and that's the best way to purchase these. Or you can go through Ryan, and Ryan can hook you up with a bunch too. We'll probably try to get you guys maybe a cool discount because Ryan's a fellow player, and so we'll see what we can do for you. Other than that, thank you, and let's see what you guys can use.
Well, there you have it. If you need to hang one of your discs on the wall, you come over here to Kanji Printing, and you get it done here, like literally right here, like
the garage.
No, this is not the garage. This is
okay,
like
the garage is next door.
The garage is over there. But seriously, like this is it right here. Let's go. Let's go. You're gonna walk me out. There we go. There we go. This is how close we are to getting you some disc hangers. Don't mind Kush. This is how how close we are. Now, we're now at my house, in my backyard, my dogs, and my disc catchers and chains. And here we are, where my discs are hanging. These are the disc hangers I was talking about, right here. Look at that, one right there. Like even like there's my putter one. Look. So there's my disc hanger. So if you want to get disc hangers, you just let me know. Hit me up. Ames at the Chains on Instagram and YouTube. Please like and subscribe to this video. What are you doing here, dude?
I wanted to see what's going on.
Thank you for the disc hangers. But thank you. Yeah, this is the guy right here. He's like literally in my backyard. So if you need him, hit me up. Ames at the Chains. Thank you for watching.